Reset the mage. Reset the mage. Okay, reset the mage. Good job.
Lalo.
Okay, defense the fort. Defense the fort. Defend not. Told you. The mage is keep attacking us. No, not yet. Keep monkey first. Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where's the deep now? Where's the deep? Then full comeback is demon boys. Demon giga. Then fullies. Demon giga fullies. Fullies boys. Fullies. Run. I don't want you to die. Fullies. Keep healing. Fulling gates north. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North now. Then full demon. Come back southeast. Full demon southeast. I need logos. I need clans. Full southeast now. Keep healing us.
Defend.
Keep healing. Okay, keep healing. Use some W. 4 and 3, 2, 1. DPS now. DPS. Then fully stop. Police. Defense.
Stop looting lalo.
Defend. Loot later. Okay, don't die. See?
I need it.
Just hold. Wait for the mage to come down, okay? Okay? Deep west on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage only. Then full demon on the mage. It will die. Then run over. Demon. Kiss on the police, on the mage. Okay, defend. Giga. Kamis. Oh my god, not enough demon. Fuck. Okay, one more engage. Don't leave. Someone. Keep healing the front. Okay, again. Keep healing the front. We're gonna full engage again. On the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage, boys. Drop the kill. Kiss on W's. Okay, fully well. Giga. Okay? Giga. And spread. Don't let them execute. Keep healing. Don't let them execute, okay? Don't let them execute. Okay? Don't let them execute. Full engage north. In 5, 4, 3. Become north. Okay, finish the kill. Run them over north side. Run them over. Okay? Use the W's. They're running. Open the gate.